if you're dealing with difficult stubborn bolts, so in this case I'm dealing with a bolt that's been in here for 30 plus years, it's unlikely that the bolt wants to come out. So you see this one is actually a screw. So a good tip is to take a screwdriver that has a hard bit on the back. So in other words, the steel goes straight through and you are able to hit it with a hammer. So you put the screwdriver in and then hit it on the back with a hammer. What that essentially does is it transfers a shock load into the bolt and straight through the bolt head, and that sometimes frees up a lot of the residue that's stuck there. So let's give it a try and see what happens. You can see I can't get this thing loose. Take the hammer. There we go. Bob's your auntie's brother's cousin.